If you're having trouble with Spotify not playing music, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through some common fixes to get your music playing again. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure that internet connection is working properly. Sometimes, internet connection might be the culprit. Spotify needs a stable connection to stream music. Check if you can browse through the other web or use other apps to confirm your internet connection is active. If your internet is active but Spotify still isn't playing music, try restarting the app on your smartphone. Swipe up or down depending on your device to close the app and open Spotify again. Sometimes a fresh start can solve temporary issues. Next, check if there's any updates available for the Spotify app. Outdated versions can sometimes cause playback issues. On your smartphone, go to the App Store or Play Store, search for Spotify and tap Update if update is available. Another thing to check is the device's volume settings. Make sure your volume is turned up and not muted. On your smartphone, adjust the volume using the side buttons. On a computer, make sure the volume slider in Spotify and your system volume are both turned up. Lastly, if you're using a Spotify on a mobile device, ensure that you have sufficient storage space. Sometimes a lack of space can prevent apps from functioning properly. Now, if none of these solutions work, you may need to reinstall the Spotify app again. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these solutions has helped you get your Spotify back up and running again.